I'm going to show you how you can download After Effects for free. Now, Adobe themselves advertised that they have a 7-day free trial where you can download After Effects for free, and then you can use it for free as well for 7 days. If you want to get it, just tap on Start Free Trial here. And then once you tap on Start Free Trial, go to After Effects here and then pick your plan. I'm just going to pick Annual, Build Monthly here, and then just tap on Continue. And then let's just wait for it to load. And then you can see on here, you can try these on us for 7 days, right? So you can get it for free. You can see do now, it'll be 0. So it's completely free. Just tap on Continue. Now on Continue, add in your email address here. I'm just going to tap in mine. I'm just going to sign in with my official email address here from Google themselves. Let me just load it up. Once that's done, you just have to put in your payment methods here. Just put in your payment method, tap on agree and subscribe, and then you'll see you'll be able to download Adobe After Effects for completely free. You can see $0 here. And then after that, you do have to pay after the 7-day free trial ends, and you'll have to pay around this much. But until then, it is free and you can download for free as well.